What's up everybody, Shambo2000 here, and today I'm here to do another reaction video for you guys to see. Now, before we get started, I have a quick thing to say to all of you. First thing, remember when I told you from my last video, I think it was like before I made new videos, but now, I told you guys that back from my other video when I said I was going to react to any like rock bands. I'm pretty sure I said that, but it doesn't matter. But yeah, so here I am about to react to some, and I just wanted to say thanks to my dad who came up with these ideas, including my mom. She showed me a video to react to. Well, she didn't actually show me the entire video, she just gave me the name. So I'm gonna have to thank her that after the end of this. But yeah, so now, thanks to my mom who found a video for me to look up, I'm going to react to this for the first night. I, Shambo2000, who has now reacted to a music video that was made from the 90s. So this is going to be the first time I ever react to a 90s music. So yeah. But anyway, you guys, enough of that. Let's get right into this, shall we? So today's reaction video I'm going to react to is Gabriel Sledgehammer. Now, it's really weird because I never really heard or seen this guy, but I wonder what the Sledgehammer is all about, because it feels like it's gonna like have a hammer and then wham! Knock it down with a hammer that you're hitting with a bunch of Play-Doh. But yeah, but it doesn't matter. I don't want to waste any time. I want to like have this over it, and I hope you guys are excited to react to this. Well, watch it actually. I know I should be like focusing and all that, but it doesn't matter. But anyway, you guys, let's not waste any time. Let's get right into this, shall we? Okay guys, so I'm not sure what this is gonna sound like, but I'm just gonna say this. Viewer discretion is advised, just in case if this video had language or not. But yeah. But anyway, you guys, hope you all enjoyed today's reaction video. I will talk to you all later. But enough chit chat, time is rolling, and let's start this video in 3, 2, 1. Sledgehammer. Alright, let's see what this is all about. Okay, wow. Everything's starting to look interesting. Bunch of things just floating around. Okay. dancing chickens. Pretty funny. Oh, I get it. He's wearing like those kinds of things that like makes you glow. Those kind of things. Okay then. Now, that was really good. I really liked it. I mean, there were some weird parts from that video, but I'm pretty sure that's what the 90s were supposed to look like back then. And now everything here in the 2000s, it's just normal. I mean, sure, all of you guys like the 90s because you really like the 90s songs. And that was really good. I like it. I give it 10 out of 10. Yeah, I think that was okay. But you know what? No, forget the okay. I think that was great. I think that was great. Little weird parts from the video, but still great. Now, questioning. What I liked about this video was how much the objects just move. Everything just like flown everywhere. Everything that everyone else did, like sing to his song, and I definitely like how he just takes off his entire shirts, and that was really cool. My least favorite part was the weird things that happened in this video, like some Play-Doh moves, some weird objects, like, and also other crazy things. But yeah, so that was great. I really liked it, and there's not much to say, but I think it was really great, and I enjoy reacting to a 90s music in my channel for the first time. So yeah, you guys, this has been the first time I ever react to a 90s music on my video for the first time ever. And I hope you guys enjoyed hope you all enjoyed me reacting to Peter Gabriel Sledgehammer. And I hope you all enjoyed today's reaction video. Hope you all enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments below if you want any questions about what 90s music I should react to. But I'll definitely think about that later. And just let me know in the comments what was your favorite part from this music video. And I will see you all next time. Bye and sayonara.